Hi friends, I came in on the biggest drive from the TCS related to TCS walk-in drive. So TCS is conducting walk-in drive at Kolkata. So if you are at the nearest location, then I will suggest everyone you should participate in this important hiring. So they are looking for the graduate from the stream BCom, BA, BBA, BBM, BMS, BAF, MCom 2024 and 2025 pass outs except CS and IT because they regularly announce lots of hiring for CSIT. Now this is hiring for all these branches. So if you know any candidates and if you are the candidate, then you should walk into it. Talking a little bit more about this opportunity, so you should be flexible by working any shift, either rotational shift, and eligibility criteria will might be changed before test process. So you have to go through all that things. So what is the selection process involved? First there will be aptitude test. So before going to this walk-in, you should have a clear understanding of aptitude and आपको भाई क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करना है एंड देन देर विल बी इंटरव्यू. ओके एंड फर्दर आपको बेसिकली हायर कर लिया जाएगा. टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू कैरी फॉर द इंटरव्यू, सो अपडेटेड रिज्यूमे, गवर्नमेंट आईडी प्रूफ एंड एकेडमिक डॉक्यूमेंट, ओरिजिनल एंड स्कैन कॉपी बोथ you have to carry. TCS application form. How can you get the TCS application form? You have to visit to this link and you have to basically fill the form in the TCS Next Step portal. If you haven't created account yet, then you can go through our video. There I have provided you clear update how to make the TCS Next Step and get CTDT ID, and you can fill the form and just go with that form. Okay, and please register your profile under BPS category. That is important. So whenever you will click here the link, then it will show two category. One is IT and one is BPS. So you have to select the BPS category. Okay, so when you will click register now, then it is showing two category: BPS, that is a business process service, and IT. So you have to select business process service and then you have to click continue and do the email verification and further registration and just fill the application form. So this is the biggest hiring you should apply. And if you are from the BE, BTech or MCA background, then you can participate in the TCS NQT mass hiring that has recently announced, and they are offering for the role of digital and prime for 2024, 2025, 2026 pass out batch, and registration has already been started and I've already made a lots of video related to it. Okay, so if you want to know the registration process and other detail, then you can go through our video. That is a good and mass hiring and everyone should apply. Okay, so if you are from the BE, BTech or MCA, then you can apply and you can go through complete the eligibility criteria and other things. So maximum 24 months of gaps are allowed. You should have 60% or equivalent CGPA in class 10, 12th and diploma, and you should not have backlog at the time of registration. So this is important opportunity, everyone should apply. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Thank you.